Hello everyone, my name is Matthew Boggess. Welcome to my Prezi presentation on Snapchat in public libraries. Snapchat can be an interesting and engaging tool for public libraries and their patrons. Here are the topics I will be going over in this presentation. Best library setting, what is Snapchat, what does it do, likes, dislikes, surprises, possible improvements, use in libraries, and best practices in libraries. Best library setting. Snapchat is best suited for a public library setting. It can be used to promote other social media campaigns, an event series in a library. For instance, in terms of promoting a library function such as a wine tasting, a snap could be sent to patrons of the library who have the app as a reminder of the week of or day before the event. This could increase people coming into the library for the event. What is Snapchat and what does it do? Snapchat is a photo and video sharing social media platform that provides a way to share temporary messages and updates with its users and their respective individual contacts. The Snapchat application has many features regarding its photo and video sharing capabilities. These include filters to make a person appear to be distorted and/or humorous. Once viewed, pictures and videos disappear. However, once viewed messages can be saved by the user. Likes. I like that I can find my contacts and my friends' contacts without having to search in depth on the app. I also like the photo editing capabilities of Snapchat. I feel I can make something look more well-made compared to a regular selfie. Dislikes. To me, the most glaring dislike for me is the short-lived life of the post compared to a Facebook post. If I were working in a library setting, having a post promoting the institution, it would be better to have it stay permanently instead of disappearing after a user reads the message or sees the photo. Surprises. The amount of filters on the camera surprised me. I am not used to seeing that many features in regards to taking a cell phone photo. Possible improvements. I wish the Snapchat app could allow for links in the biography/description page of the institution like a public library, such as Instagram does. Adding this feature would allow a user to directly use the app to connect to the institution's website. Use in my library. I would expand using this tool to increase engagement with younger patrons of the library. Engaging with the younger patrons will allow them an opportunity to participate in influencing youth and teen programming. Best practices. One of the best practices in utilizing this application would be checking the messages 3 times a day during business hours. Another best practice would be updating the library story twice a day to prevent it from going dormant before the next business day. Snapchat has its benefits and can be used as an additional social media platform for public libraries to engage with younger patrons. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.